Li Xiang himself has also issued an internal letter to all employees in mid to late March, admitting that Mega sales were not going well and publicly announcing a significant reduction in delivery expectations. Hey guys, I'm Kathy. Today I'm going to introduce to you a pure electric MPV, Li Auto Mega. Well, Li Auto is an electric vehicle manufacturer headquartered in Beijing, China, and also the first new energy vehicle company that has achieved an annual revenue of billions. So, how did Li Auto make it? It's all about the outstanding product features. While Li vehicles are mostly extended range electric vehicles, which can effectively solve consumers' range anxiety. Besides, the design of Li Auto is also innovative, introducing elements such as sofas, refrigerators, and televisions, making the car not just a tool for transportation, but also a comfortable and practical place for leisure. Well, the Li Auto Mega we are introducing today is Li Auto's first battery electric vehicle model, which is totally different from the EREV models launched by Li Auto in the past. So, what are the highlights of this car? Let's take a look together. Wow, at first glance, I feel a strong sense of technology. This kind of droplet-shaped high-speed twin head is very eye-catching. Although the front face of Li Auto Mega is a little bit similar to Stereo Hyundai Motor Company, Mega is larger in size, with a downward curve at the back. While the highest point is above the B-pillar and the curve is very large, with the small raised tail wing at the back, this type of body design is effectively reduce the wind drag. The primary designer of Mega is Ben Baum, the senior design director of Li Auto. He worked at Porsche for 8 years, serving as the lead exterior designer for the Porsche 922. In the design of Mega, he has fully considered about the product requirement of low wind drag and fully integrated into the design. The drag coefficient of Mega is 0.215, which is lower than that of the Porsche Taycan 0.22, and its power consumption is comparable to that of an electric sedan. Whereas a large car measuring 5.4 meters in length, 1.9 meters in width, and 1.8 meters in height, Mega has a small wheel size of only 18 inches. This can effectively reduce the power consumption. For such a large dual-motor car, Mega's official power consumption is only 15.9 kilowatt-hour per 100 kilometers. The roof, D-pillar, and the rear part adopt a blade design. This kind of avant-garde style of design has also caused some controversy since its release. While stepping inside, the layout of the interior continues the family style of the L-series SUV. Instead of a traditional dashboard sitting in front of the steering wheel, key information such as speed and gear is displayed on this screen, just on the steering wheel. It is also equipped with augmented reality head-up display, which not only displays navigation information and speed, but also for the first time incorporates digital rear-view mirror images on the HUD. It can directly access the front wheel cameras when you pull the steering lever, providing a visual effect rather than a rear-view mirror. The center console is equipped with a central control screen and a passenger seat entertainment screen, both measuring 15.7 inches in 3K resolution, powered by an internal 5295 chip. The car infotainment system is equipped with MindGPT, which is an AI multimodal cognitive model, which is independently developed by Li Auto. Its functions are actually similar to ChatGPT and supports AI situational dialogue and AI joining. Well, let's have a try. Hi, 李想同学。
你说
Please write an English composition entitled My Mother.
My mother. The introduction. Writing on the title My Mother, a wave of memories rush through me as her love, strength,
An interesting feature about Li Auto Mega is its voice print recognition. Well, at first you need to record your own voice, and then every time you activate the smart speaker, your voice can be recognized. Besides, when you combine a gesture and a speech to issue a command, Mega can also accurately recognize your needs and meet your requirement. Well, for example, Hi, 李想同学，
来了，
打开这个。
主驾车窗开启中，注意安全哦。
In the rear part of the central armrest, there is a refrigerator with a relatively small volume compared to some MPVs in the market. However, it can meet the daily requirements. Mega seat layout adopts the common 3-row 7-seat layout of MPVs, and all the seats in this car are equipped with comfortable headrest and backrest. And all the 4 seats in the first row and the second row support ventilation, heating, massage, and are equipped with an integrated leg rest. The passenger seat is a zero-gravity queen seat. The position of the footwell has been optimized, allowing you to fully stretch your legs, while the glove box is retained as well. In terms of size, both these 3 dimensions exceed the level of Maybach S-Class, and there is also an ultra-long slide rail of 500 mm, ensuring ample legroom and headroom. All the seats in the first row and second row also support seat memory function, which can automatically remember and adjust the seat position. Well, for example, now let's set the driver's seat to a particular type of position, and we name it as position 1. Now, let's just change this position. Like we can move backwards, and we can lift the backrest. And then we press on the seat 1 again. You can see that this seat just automatically move backwards to the original position. Another popular feature among the public is the seat nap mode. 理想同学，
你好，
打开座椅小憩模式。
好的，2排右座椅我来调节，计划休息多长时间
？15分钟。
我会在15分钟后叫你，注意现在有车窗没关哦。
So when we turn on the nap mode, the seat you are in will automatically move backwards and recline to a comfortable position. At the same time, the interior and exterior lights will be turned off, and the same wallpaper will appear on the car screen with dimmer brightness. Meanwhile, Mega will automatically lock and the air conditioning system will work, creating a safe and comfortable environment for your nap. Wow, to my surprise, the third row is as tall as the second row is, so that you will not have the feeling like sitting on a small stool. Besides, the seat can also be electrically adjusted with a maximum sliding angle of 36 degrees. Well, looking up, there is a 70-inch ceiling touchscreen hanging between the front and the rear sunroofs. It is also equipped with sensitive 3D ToF cameras and supports gesture control over the air. Paired with Dolby Vision and Dolby Panoramic sound body, the car instantly transforms into a video room, allowing passengers to have immersive audio-visual entertainment experience. When fully seated, the longitudinal depth can reach 680 mm. The third row seats can be folded forwards. When the third row seats are folded up, the longitudinal depth reaches 1066 mm, which can easily accommodate the luggage carried by a family for travel. In terms of power, Mega's power system consists of a front 155 kW asynchronous auxiliary drive and a rear 245 kW synchronous main drive, with a peak power of 400 kW and a maximum torque of 542 Nm. In the strongest power output mode, Mega's acceleration speed from 0 to 100 km per hour is 5.5 seconds. On charging, the battery pack capacity of Li Auto Mega is 102.7 degrees. This ensures that the car can replenish for 500 kilometers after 12 minutes of charging. And the reason why it can achieve so fast is mainly due to the 5C charging battery, jointly developed by Li Auto and Ningde. On the 5C charging station of Li Auto, the peak charging power can reach 520 kilowatts, with an average charging power exceeding 400 kilowatts. For MPVs like Mega with sliding doors, the opening charging cover will block the movement range of the sliding door. But Mega is different. When I turn on the sliding door, it will just automatically stop in a safe position to avoid collisions when charging. Well, with so many practical and upscale functions, what is the sales of Li Auto Mega? According to incomplete statistics, since its official launch on March 1st this year, the sales of Mega in March has reached 3,229 units. Although it can be described as impressive in the MPV market, there is still a big gap from Li Auto's primary estimate of monthly sales of 7,000 units. According to industry consensus in China, Mega's lower than expected sales result is mainly due to its aggressive designing and field market positioning. Its avant-garde stealth design has been controversial since its release. And although it is equipped with a 5C battery and has a fast charging speed, people with range anxiety are still not that willing to easily try it. Li Xiang himself has also issued an internal letter to all employees in mid to late March, admitting that Mega sales were not going well and publicly announcing a significant reduction in delivery expectations. In terms of overseas market, Li Xiang, the president of Li Auto, plans to start the strategic arrangement of overseas delivery in the first quarter of this year. And it is said that he has already recruited sales and service teams in Dubai, using Dubai as a gateway to enter overseas market. And the reason for choosing Dubai is that Dubai itself is a global center. This is conducive to brand influence. And Dubai has a rich consumer group. In terms of the high-end automotive market, this is in line with Li Auto's market positioning. Alright, this is so much for today's video. If you want to buy a family version super large MPV, will you choose Li Auto Mega? Welcome to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much. Bye.